Cyco Grow A is the first of two parts to make up the base nutrient system for the vegetative growth stage of plant growth. Cyco Platinum Series Grow A is a primary source of pharmaceutical-grade nitrates, which are vital for leaf growth, the formation of chlorophyll, and nucleic acids, which form the very DNA of the plant cells derived from pharmaceutical-grade ingredients. Cyco Platinum Series Grow A provides certifiably the cleanest form of this crucial component to plant growth. Grow A is also the primary source of calcium in the vegetative stages. Calcium in Cyco Grow A is derived from pharmaceutical-grade calcium nitrate for a source of readily available calcium to form thicker cell walls, enabling strong stem, leaf and stalk formation.